Hello Manjaro community, welcome to the second video about the USB persistent stick with Manjaro Linux on it. In the last video we had only a terminal version of the Manjaro OS, and this time we will create some graphical one with XFCE on it. For that we need presets. Presets are simple TOML files, as you can see here. I have one for XFCE, XORG, user, KDE, copy file, or an AUR example. And really easy to see. We have normal packages where we have the list of packages we want to have. Then we can do a script like enable LightDM for that occasion. Also you can pass environment variables. This will be good for the user. As you can see here, we install sudo and we create a user which is in the variable alma user, so this is the environment variable, and then we add the password and the groups the user is in. So that can be done. So there are two options we can do that. So the first option would be we can simply give them in a given order, like first you want to create a user and then do something else. Or you create a folder and add numbers to each script and pass it by the TOML files. So this I had done here. So it's simply symlinking to the presets we had in the subfolder before, and it will do it one by one. So let's see how that works. We have again passing the alma user environment variable, which is Manjaro in this case. We create a 4 GB image called alma XFCE, and now we are in the sets of the presets. We give the folder, and then we start with one what we like user first. Then we need XORG, and we want XFCE. So, and we hit enter, and Alma does its magic. So as we added a user, we will be shortly asked for the user password, which will become next. So here we are, and we type Manjaro as a password, and Alma is doing the rest of the post-install scripts. And here we have it. It's not pretty designed, but it does its job. And XFCE, fully running, fully functional, and you can further customize it, like theme it, add some more packages to it, do whatever you like. But let's do it again with the XFCE folder, and Alma will do its magic. Again, we enter the password, and Alma will do the rest. Let's try to start it. And here you have it. We have the tools. You have the TOML files, you have the documentation. Let's see what the community will create out of that. See you till next time.